Once you know how much the business is worth, the next problem is deciding who's going to get it. While there are some divorcing couples who may remain able to share ownership of the business after a divorce, this arrangement can only work when the separation or divorce is amicable and the former spouses are able to set aside any marital disagreements they may have had and maintain a close working relationship. But the reality is that's a rare thing. More commonly, the business needs to either be given to one of the spouses or sold. Where the business is one that relies on the unique abilities, skills, or talents of one of the spouses, for example, a bakery where one of the spouses is the baker, or, on the other hand, maybe a law firm offering professional services which only one spouse was licensed to provide such services, or if the business was owned and managed by only one of the spouses, with little or no input or participation from the other, it makes more sense for the ownership of the business to be given to that spouse. In that case, the spouse receiving the business needs to buy out the marital interest that belongs to the other spouse. This can either be done in a lump sum, if there's enough cash on hand available to do so, in a structured buyout that takes place over time, if there will be cash available in the near future, or by trading other marital assets of equal value. For example, the spouse being bought out of the business may receive instead the marital home and or other real estate, retirement accounts, or other personal property. Unfortunately, it's become increasingly common, however, that the business is the largest or only valuable asset owned by the couple, and there's simply not enough cash on hand now or in the near future to allow one spouse to buy out the other spouse's marital interest. In this case, the divorcing couple may have no choice but to sell the business and divide the proceeds. This presents challenges and may delay the process of division, since it may be very difficult to find the right buyer and sell the business for an acceptable price. This option is usually the least desirable one and is taken only after every other possible option has been thoroughly considered. The ownership of a small business may have an impact on a number of other issues in a divorce as well, such as child custody, child support, and spousal support or alimony. If you have any question, we invite you to give us a call.